It's a freak accident of nature beneath the surface volcano M Trail Mountain Box Springs Mountain Regional Park. Volcano might erupt and lightning strike Hoover Dam, splitting San Andreas Fault Line, plummeting the United States of America into the ocean. Something's going on beneath the surface volcano. I think a great idea would be Interstate 66 U.S. Other countries, Santa Monica Pier Reclamation Area, Pacific Ocean Ring of Fire, engineering volcanoes into the ocean to create more land. Grasshopper Global Infrastructure Company.